In this video, we're going to find the gradient between 2 points. You might recall that gradient is rise divided by run. And the rise was the change in the y or vertical line, and the run was the change in the x. Using this information, we can create a new rule, which is y2 take y1 over x2 take x1, where x1, y1 is 1 point and x2, y2 is another point. Let's see this in action. So we're going to start with A here. Now this can be our x1, y1, and this can be our x2, y2. So we write down our rule, m is equal to y2 take y1 over x2 take x1. Then we substitute in here. So y2 is 7, take, and y1 is 3, and divided by x2, which is 4, minus x1, which is 2. Then we simplify this. 7 take 3 is 4, 4 take 2 is 2, and then we write our answer. So the gradient of a line joining these 2 points would be 2. Let's see that again in action. So we write down our rule was y2 take y1 over x2 take x1. Now, remember, this is our second point, so we'll call this x2 and y2, and our first point, x1 and y1. It doesn't matter which one you choose to be the first point and the second point. When you do the math, you'll always get the same gradient. So y2 here is 11 minus 5 over x2 is 3 minus 1. This is 6 over 2, so the gradient between these 2 points would be 3. And one more. This time let's label them differently. So y2 take y1 over x2 take x1. y1 can be this one and x1, and this can be x2 and y2. So y2 is 8 and y1 is 4, and x2 is 5 and x1 is 6. So m is going to be 4 over negative 1, which is negative 4. So this particular graph will go down the page with a negative gradient. Now, we use this kind of math to find a gradient so that we can come up with an equation for the line. That's going to be in a different video. Until then, take care if you have any points which have negatives in them. Thanks for watching.